Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a product that could save you a significant amount on your printing costs without compromising on quality. The LLAOLLAO 822XL ink cartridges combo pack. This isn't just any ink. It's a remanufactured replacement specifically designed for a range of popular Epson Workforce Pro printers, offering a smart alternative to original cartridges. This particular pack, identified by its T822XL and T822 model names, comes with a generous 6 cartridges. You get 3 high-yield black 822XL cartridges, which is fantastic for those who print a lot of text documents, alongside 1 cyan, 1 magenta, and 1 yellow 822XL cartridge. This combination ensures you're well-stocked for both monochrome and vibrant color printing needs right out of the box. Compatibility is key with replacement inks, and LLAOLLAO has done their homework. These upgraded 822XL cartridges are engineered to work seamlessly with several Epson Workforce Pro models, including the WF-3820, WF-3823, WF-4820, WF-4830, WF-4833, and WF-4834. Users can expect a straightforward installation process, allowing them to get back to printing quickly and efficiently. One of the standout features of these 822XL cartridges is their impressive page yield. Each black cartridge is rated to print up to 1,100 pages, and the color cartridges match that, also delivering up to 1,100 pages each, based on 5% coverage on A4 paper. This high yield means fewer cartridge changes and more printing before needing a replacement, making them ideal for both home offices and small businesses with consistent printing demands. Now, a common question with remanufactured ink is about quality. LLAOLLAO addresses this directly by stating that each 822XL ink cartridge undergoes rigorous quality inspection. This commitment to quality control aims to ensure that users receive crisp text and vivid colors with every print. Whether it's important documents, school projects, or colorful presentations, the expectation is for professional-looking results that stand up to scrutiny. For anyone looking for a reliable, high-yield, and cost-effective ink solution for their compatible Epson Workforce Pro printer, the LLAOLLAO 822XL remanufactured combo pack presents a compelling option. It offers the convenience of a multi-pack, the economy of remanufactured cartridges, and the assurance of quality performance, making it a truly smart choice for everyday printing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.